Welcome! Today, we'll show you how Woo Essential can help you create an eye-catching product carousel that keeps your customers engaged. First, you'll need to upload the Woo Essential zip file to WordPress. After the installation, head over to the WordPress dashboard, click on Woo Essential, and toggle on the Product Carousel module. Don't forget to save your changes. Next, you can navigate to an existing page or create a new one, whichever suits your needs. Now, to create the carousel, start by adding a section and inserting the Product Carousel module into the Divi Builder. From here, you can easily select which product categories you want to showcase in the carousel. Once your products are set, it's time to decide which product details to display. You can toggle options like the Add to Cart button, wish list icon, product comparison button, quick view, price, and more, giving your users a dynamic shopping experience. But that's not all. Under display options, you can enable autoplay for a smooth, hands-free browsing experience. You can also adjust the carousel's autoplay speed and customize the carousel spacing to match your site's style. Moving on to navigation settings, Woo Essential offers a range of features. You can add navigation icons, enable keyboard and mouse wheel navigation, activate mouse hover effects, dynamic bullets, and more for an interactive user experience. What sets Woo Essential apart from the rest is its excellent customization options. Under the Design tab, you can personalize how the product images appear within the carousel, applying color effects, borders, and more to make your product showcase stand out. In addition to that, the product text options allow you to fully customize how the text appears within the carousel, with control over typography, color, fonts, and more. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, click Save, and then open the page in a new tab to see your Woo Essential Product Carousel live in action. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates and tutorials.